So in today's video, I'm showing you all a car repair tracker. This is like a basic app that I created for someone, and I was like, I should share this, what I did with you all, and get your feedback on what your thoughts are on this that I created for this person. So, I mean, pretty much as it says, it's a car repair tracker. So yeah, you can put information into the fields, and I can't really put information into the fields right now because it shows like my full name, unfortunately, and I'm not trying to like get out there like that. But basically, like, just imagine that you filled out a regular form as usual. You press add job, and once you click add job, now it basically like shows below here the active jobs that you have. You also can archive a job as well. So there, obviously, you can see that there's no job archived right now. So if I simply just press archive and I go to, oh yeah, it shows our job archive. If I just go to show archive jobs, you would see that that the job here has been archived, and you can just click back and it goes back to the active jobs. So this is like a pretty cool JavaScript where you can just like toggle through different like jobs. You also can find different categories. It's just to make life easier for the person. So let's just say that they want to get all active jobs based on like the category of electrical. They can just click on that and you will see that all the electric jobs basically pop up. They go to suspension, you see the same as well, but there's no jobs in suspension right now. If you go to maintenance, you'll see that there are jobs there. Also, there's like this AI summary as well. So it basically like gives you like the AI summary of all that occurred, and you can see you can also like copy to clipboard and you see that they're copied as well too, and close it. And you also can like delete a job. So if I click delete, you see that the job has been deleted. You also can press complete, the job is completed. Obviously there is a database connected to this as well, but the database, I can't really show that database because again there's personal information on that. If I created like fake account, I could have shown it, and also you can search based on like the different names as well. So if I were to search customer name, I could just be like R, and you see like the name of the vehicle pops up. Or if even let's just say we go Leo, right? I can just type Leo, and you can see that Leo, everything that pops up with Leo will also show here as well. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Hopefully you all like the video, you all learn something. It's just a quick video that I want to show you all on what I've been working on.